I've been using the OpenTable app for a while now, and this video is my honest, unbiased review. I'll cover everything from its main features to a few drawbacks, so by the end, you'll have a clear picture of what it's really like to use. So what exactly is OpenTable? It's a free app for iPhone and iPad that lets you find and book restaurant reservations at more than 60,000 spots around the world. Whether you want a casual brunch, fine dining, or something unique like a tasting menu or special event, it's all right there. It's especially handy for travelers. You can search by location, filter by cuisine or price, and read verified reviews from real diners. The convenience is one of its biggest strengths. Booking takes just seconds, and you can see real-time availability without making a single phone call. The Notify Me feature is another great addition. It alerts you when a table opens at a busy restaurant. Plus, all your reservations stay in one place, so you don't have to juggle calls, notes, or confirmation emails. You can even message restaurants directly through the app to handle things like dietary preferences. OpenTable also offers a loyalty program. By creating an account, you earn points when you dine at certain restaurants and can redeem them for rewards. It's a nice bonus for frequent users. There's even a widget that shows your upcoming reservations right on your iPhone home screen. Now, a few downsides. While the point system is a great idea, redeeming them isn't as smooth as it could be. You sometimes still need to use a desktop, which feels outdated for a mobile-first app. There are also small quirks in the search results. Occasionally, restaurants that are far away appear in local searches without clear distance indicators. Some users have also reported map links or directions that aren't always accurate, so it's worth double-checking before you go. Overall, OpenTable does exactly what it promises. It makes booking restaurant reservations fast, simple, and reliable. It's perfect for anyone who eats out often or travels frequently.